Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My hobby, gardening. An idle man's mind is a devil's workshop, is a well-known saying, and it is rightly true. A person who has no pleasant occupation for his leisure hours is likely to fall into some mischief. So it is important to cultivate some hobby which is a pleasure-giving pursuit. Life without a hobby is like food without salt. It is a hobby which makes living interesting. A hobby gives one joy and pleasure. One does not get tired of it. It is a pastime, relaxation, and leisure. In this way, while one is learning something, he is also making best use of his time. There are many hobbies like drawing, painting, gardening, stamp collection, photography, reading, embroidery, cooking, coin collection, etc. My favorite hobby is gardening. There is a small compound in front of my house. In some portion, I have grown beds for vegetables. In the front portion, I have prepared flower plants. I have grown rose plants in it. In my spare time, I water the plants, put manure in them, and remove the weeds from flower beds. Thus, it adds beauty to the house. The flowers of different colors look beautiful and refresh the mind. In other beds, I have grown vegetables. I get fresh vegetables for the kitchen and save money. It gives me happiness and is the best way of utilizing my leisure time. Gardening is also an exercise to the body. People passing by my house praise my garden. My hobby gives me satisfaction and helps in keeping myself active and busy. The greenery of plants and sweet fragrance of flowers are like the tonic for eye's mind. Gardening gives me immense pleasure. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful to you, then please like and share my video with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel.